Your kitchen counter looks spotless, right? But is it really clean? What if millions of tiny organisms were living there beyond the visible range of the naked eye? These tiny organisms are called microbes. They're all around us, in the air, on our food, in the water we drink, and even on our skin. But don't worry, not all microbes are bad. In fact, some are good and helpful to humans. Microbes are mainly categorized into 3 types: bacteria, fungi, and viruses. The bacteria lactobacillus is found in yogurt and helps humans maintain and regulate a healthy bowel movement. On the other hand, harmful bacteria like Salmonella and enterica can make you sick. So sick, in fact, the Center of Disease Control estimates it is responsible for 1.35 million cases of human diseases every year in the United States. Salmonella enterica is mostly associated with live chicken and found in raw chicken pieces. Yes, the delicious chicken nuggets that we all love. Fungi. They're the ones making mold on that bread. Gross. But hey, mushrooms are fungi too, and they're delicious. Viruses. You know them. SARS-CoV-2 virus was responsible for the COVID-19 pandemic. Some viruses, called bacteriophages, are actually good. They attack bacteria that make you sick and destroy them. Here's the thing. Some microbes are incredibly small. So small that a single bacterium is invisible to the human eye. Even if you had 100 million bad bacteria on the surface, you wouldn't see them. So, here's the question. If microbes are everywhere and they're so tiny, how do we see them before they make us sick? Another point to note is that microbes don't stay single for long. For example, bacteria multiply rapidly through a process called binary fission. One cell becomes 2, 2 become 4, and so on. In no time, they form a biofilm. Think of a biofilm like an invisible tent that protects the bacteria from cleaning sprays. Let's imagine this. Your parent is washing chicken and some juice splashes onto the counter. What if that juice contains just one Salmonella enterica cell? If left unattended for more than 24 hours, that single cell can start multiplying and eventually form a biofilm, a hidden health risk right on your kitchen counter. So how do we deal with something we can't even see? This is the Contamination, Sanitization, Inspection and Disinfection device, the CSI-D for short. This is a special device developed to visualize invisible residue using powerful ultraviolet C light. These are the UVC LED lights. On the back of the device, you will see a viewfinder powered by the Android operating system, a battery, and 2 red buttons. This is how you hold the device. Point the device in the general direction of the suspected spot and press the 2 red buttons simultaneously to activate the UVC light. Imagine the sun as a giant, super powerful flashlight. It's so big and strong that it can light up the whole earth. If we stay out in the sun for too long without sunscreen protecting us, we can burn our skin. Think of the UVC light like a smaller, focused flashlight. Dangerous for the microbes since they don't have any sunscreen to protect them. When the UVC light is focused, the electrons in the food residue absorb the higher energy and start shaking and emitting light. The device captures that light and turns it into a visible image on your screen. This phenomena is called fluorescence. Pretty cool, right? This is the CSI-D in action. You can see the invisible residue glowing in red. These residues may contain bacteria. Only trained individuals are allowed to use and operate this device, and I am one such individual. This is a hazmat suit that covers me from head to toe, front and back. I need to wear the face shield, face mask, and gloves to operate the device safely to avoid any unwanted UV exposure. We learned that there are tiny microbes all around us. Some are good and some are bad. Technology such as the CSI-D exists, which can help us see the tiny microbes that cannot be seen by the naked eye. Once we see it, we can clean it up and protect ourselves from getting sick. I hope you learned something new today. Keep it clean, keep it safe, and stay healthy.